Live streaming is an amazing way to connect with your audience, but usually you need a ton of gear to make that happen. But not anymore. Let's get rid of all this. Now, all you need is the Mevo Start, the all-in-one live streaming device that seems to work like a little bit of magic. I'm Jon Rettinger, and this is the Mevo Start. It's an all-in-one live streaming device that can get you live on YouTube and Facebook in a matter of seconds. And if that wasn't good enough, it can now be used as an HD webcam. So I'm using a Mevo Start to film this video. Actually, I'm using a couple of them so you guys can get a sense of the quality of the video. So now that you can actually see it, let me tell you a little bit about how to use it. Mevo Start is packed with a 1080p camera with a really nice 83.7 degree field of view. It's totally wide enough to give your audience a really clear picture of exactly what you're doing, but not gonna look too wide. You end up with sort of a distorted kind of fisheye look. So there's a built-in microphone that sounds fantastic, as well as a port to plug in an external mic in. You also got an incredibly useful USB-C port that can be used for a bunch of different things. A micro SD card slot for recording, and a built-in battery that should give you enough juice for about 6 hours of streaming. So all of that is awesome, but what separates the Mevo, what gives it just a little dose of magic, is in the Mevo app. It's available, of course, on iOS or Android. It lets you control everything your camera can do directly from your phone or tablet. So for example, there's a light over my shoulders. If I tap over it, the camera will kind of look like it's cutting to that and showing people exactly what I want them to see. Also multi-touch here, so you can pinch and zoom on an area on the app and the camera will zoom in on that particular shot. So it's really easy to control and very simple and elegant to learn. The Mevo Start can stream to all the major live destinations. So YouTube, Periscope, Facebook, Livestream, plus a ton more. So while you're streaming, you can record in full HD directly onto a micro SD card. So you can record either H.264 or HEVC, but perhaps one of the coolest features of the Mevo Start, especially in this live streaming world, is the ability to use the camera as a webcam. And they've made it incredibly simple for either Mac or PC. And in the Mevo camera app, just switch on webcam mode. You can connect the Start wired or wirelessly. So personally, one of the things that I love most about Mevo Start is the simplicity it brings to live streaming. I don't have to worry about a complex setup of extra cables, plugins, and adapters. With Mevo Start and the power of the Mevo camera app, I can look great easily and just focus on my message. So there are a ton of different accessories you can pick for the Mevo Start as well. There's a table stand, floor stand, Ethernet adapter, quick charger, and a whole lot more. If you want to learn more about the Mevo Start, check out mevo.com.